Hi, today we're going to have a good time. We got tagged in the egg roll challenge, and I got tagged by MeatHead. So I'll have a link to his channel and his egg roll version down in the description, but this is going to be fun. We're doing it over the campfire. We're going to cook the egg rolls in the Dutch oven. This is going to be a good time. But I've had this skillet on the fire here for about 5 or 10 minutes. I have a little bit of olive oil in there. Just get that in there good. And then we have 2 eggs and then 4 egg whites and a 1/4 cup of milk in here. And with all the egg whites, it will make it real fluffy. But what I want to do first, I'm getting ahead of myself. We have a tablespoon of shallots, so I'm going to get going in here. Yeah, look at that. So that oil's looking good. Yeah, perfect. See how it... Yeah, these shallots, I love them. We just barely started cooking with them in the last few cooks we've done, Jenny and I, and they're delicious. Pour the eggs in here. So this part, I'll just get these eggs all cooked up here over the fire, and then we'll pull them off once they're all scrambled. We'll go to the next step. So we'll see. Okay, the eggs have been cooking a couple minutes, but I guess I got so excited I forgot to tell you what kind of egg roll we're making. We're making breakfast egg rolls with sausage gravy, and so this is going to be delicious. But yeah, look at these. They're cooking up. They're going to be nice and fluffy. So that we're going to do that, and then we'll just add a little bit of pepper. Yeah, these are cooking up great. Nothing better than cooking in the outdoors, even if it is in your backyard. Good times. But yeah, we'll just get these all cooked up and we'll be ready. Okay, the eggs are done. They cooked up great. That's pretty good. And then I have my other skillet here. I have a tablespoon of coconut oil. We're going to cook the sausage and then the gravy in this. So we'll set that there and get this going slowly while we go in and roll up these egg rolls. So we'll see you okay, back. So Jenny's rolling these up, but what we did is there's a couple tablespoons of egg, put a little cheese, and then she just wet the edge around with water. We'll roll these up. It looks like it made 7, so you can just decide how many you'd like after that. Yeah, and then I'm using my 10-inch Dutch oven. We're just going to set them in here. We're going to bake these at around 375 degrees for about 15 minutes. So while these are cooking, we'll be outside cooking some sausage and then making some sausage gravy over the campfire. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. So there you go. We'll see you outside. Okay, we're ready to get the sausage going. So the coconut oil, it's all melted. That's good. So I got my briquettes there. I just started a tumbleweed starter under there so they can start cooking so we can bake the egg rolls there in the Dutch oven. But we just have a pound of breakfast sausage here. So I'll just sit here and brown this up. Once it's brown, we can start adding the ingredients to it to get this sausage gravy going. We'll see you back. Okay, we're ready. The sausage is done over there, so let's get the egg rolls going. We're doing it, like I said, at 375 in the 10-inch Dutch oven. So for 375, we have 8 coals on the bottom. Just set it there. We're going to cook it for about 15 or 20 minutes. But yeah, so I have 8 on the bottom, and we want 14 on top. So there's 5, 7, 8, 9. I think that's 14 right there. So I need to put this, I'll just set it there. It should be okay for a minute. So there's the egg rolls in there. And the sausage, this is fun. Got to keep that fire going good though, because when it gets smoky, man, it gets smoky in the eyes. So I have a 1/4 cup of flour I'm going to put in here. Like that. Stir this around a little. Get down a little. That smoke's coming this way now. Let me scoot over here. There we go. That's better. The smoke's going right down there. So there's that. And then I have 2 cups of milk. So we'll pour that. We want to get this simmering, so I'll probably stoke that fire up a little bit and just see how it goes and keep some good heat under there. And we'll add a little bit of salt and pepper here in a little bit, but yeah, we'll get this bubbling and stuff. And when it starts simmering and stuff, we'll show you at that point, so you'll see. All right, look at that sausage gravy. It's probably been on here about 7 or 8 minutes, but it's starting to simmer good. I'll get a little salt, put some pepper, and then I'll stir it so you can see. See, that's, oh, that smoke, that's thickening up nice. So we probably have 7 or 8 more minutes for the egg rolls, so this is going to time out perfect. So yeah, good times. Okay, the egg rolls have been cooking 15 minutes, so let's take a look and see how they're doing. Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah, I want to just see how they feel. Oh yeah, I don't know, looking at them, a couple more minutes probably won't hurt. So let's let them go for 3 or so minutes and we'll get everything ready, and at that point we'll be ready to taste it up. Okay, we decided to look at the bottom side, but look at that. That is so golden brown. So what we're going to do is Jenny's flipping them over, and I think I'll just cook them on this other side to brown that up, probably 3 to 5 minutes. I bet 5 minutes will be just right. The gravy's pretty good. I kind of just moved it off to the side a little bit, but look at this. Nice, bubbly, yummy. Okay, I'm ready. This smells so good. Let's dig into this. Look at that. Breakfast egg rolls and sausage gravy. Yummy. I want to thank MeatHead for tagging me in this. We've had a good time making this. This is awesome. I'll just put a couple. Yeah, check that out. Good stuff. We'll get a little gravy now. This gravy cooked up so good. Yummy. It's going to be hot.
So you can take a minute.
So, yeah, but finally starting to warm up here. I think it'll be in the 60s today. It snowed yesterday. 2 days ago it was in the 70s, so it's crazy weather. Yeah, we're having a good time just cooking all this good food. I cut that open with the gravy. There's the egg, the cheese melted good. Delicious. So yeah, try these out. Make these. Put whatever you want in there. Yeah, lunch. Yummy. It's good times cooking in the outdoors. Yeah. Look at that egg. See, that cooked up awesome. The cheese in there, it's so good. But yeah, here we go. Delicious. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.